Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here today because I'm about to show you something truly exciting. The animations you're watching right now were created using a brand new AI tool that can generate both images and videos. It's incredible how far technology has come, and I can't wait to show you exactly what this AI is capable of. This tool is really powerful. It can turn simple text into images, create videos from just words, and even take an image and transform it into a video. These features open up so many creative possibilities. Whether you want to make artwork or animations, this AI can do it all. In this video, we're going to dive in together and learn how to use this AI to create a short animation step by step. Trust me, it's easier than you might think, and the results are truly amazing. As many of you know, I've worked with a lot of different tools over time. I've also made tutorials on many of them, helping you get the most out of different platforms. But I have to say, this one feels special. It's got me more excited than ever because it's so versatile and powerful, yet simple to use. I believe this AI can really change how we create content. So if you're curious about how to use AI to make animations, you're in the right place. I want to introduce you to a new and completely free AI tool called Kling AI. It currently offers two major features: image generation and video generation. A third feature, video editing, is set to launch soon. When you visit the homepage, you'll immediately notice the incredible quality of the images and videos. The image generation is especially impressive, producing results that are both stunning and highly realistic. I've personally used many AI tools and created videos with various platforms, but the quality delivered by Kling AI really stands out. The sharpness, attention to detail, and lifelike appearance of both the images and videos are remarkable. To get started, simply head over to the platform and click on the AI image option. From there, you can enter your desired prompt in the prompt section. Once you've done that, click on Generate, and after a brief wait, your image will be ready. Now let's take a look at the generated image. Wow, it's truly amazing, highly realistic, and beautifully detailed. Kling AI's capabilities are impressive and a game changer in AI creativity. Give it a try and see for yourself. In video generation, the process is super easy. First, just click on the AI video creation tool. You'll see a prompt section where you can enter the description of the video you want to create. Simply type your idea or scene into the prompt box. For example, you can enter something like a cute rabbit with glasses studying a book with a cup of hot coffee on the table next to it. Once you've entered your prompt, click on Generate, and the AI will start working. After a short wait, your beautiful video will be ready. If you're not sure what kind of prompt to use, you can always turn to ChatGPT for ideas. It's a great tool for generating creative and detailed descriptions for your videos.